Hello, we've just received a new TV listener from Geemarc. It's their CL7350. Let's have a look, see what's in the box. Today we're going to open up two different versions. This version comes with a listening stereo that you hangs around from the ears and provides amplification for someone that doesn't have a hearing aid. This version has a pocket receiver, and it means that you can use with it any form of neck loop, your own earphones. It means also that it's not hanging around from your ears, which means a lot of people don't like the weight. Let's have a look at the conventional static grip one first. So let's see what's inside the box. This will be as much a mystery for you as for me, because I've never opened it up. So we have the 7350. It's called an Opti for the very simple reason it has an optical input. There is a version without an optical input, but our advice is that because most TVs nowadays have a digital optical output, you need to have the optical version, otherwise you can't plug it into your TV. Comes a little warranty card, a quick start user guide. You have this is the base station and charging pod. This is the listening stereo that fits in there for charging. It also comes with spare ear buds. Let's take that and get that out of the way. Also included is take like the noise. There's a digital Toslink connector for your audio from the TV. And I guess in here is going to be a power supply. Yep, there's the power supply. So what you've got with the CL7350 optical TV listener, set of instructions, digital Toslink lead, a pair of earbuds, or replacement earbuds. The unit, it comes with the battery somewhere, this battery is integral, and a power supply. On the back of the unit there are two controls. There's a left, right, an auto tune, and there's a third on the top. On here you have a volume control. The button on the front I think is for your own voice, so that you can use it as an amplifier. So therefore if you're sitting next to someone while you're listening to TV and they talk to you, you can turn around, press the button, and you can hear what they've got to say. So that's the headset version. Let's have a look, see what's different in the other belt flap version, pocket receiver, whatever you want to call it. Again, it also comes with a set of instructions. The base station is the same, and you can charge. This is the pocket receiver, so you can charge the pocket receiver and that one also if you want to. You can swap them around. So if you have two people that want help with the TV in the family, you can have one of each, and they will both work off the same transmitter. That's the power supply, we won't open that. And there's the optical lead. So basically the only difference between the two is these two. Now what I don't know is whether it comes with a headphone. Yes, it does. Look at that. So this box, I lied. Yes, it has got. What have we dropped on the floor? Look at that. Right. What we've got is the power supply, which I was expecting. It has a that's not fun. It has a set of earphones with looks like 3 different sizes of earbuds. So these are the earphones, and so it comes with a standard set on there, and then you've got a smaller set and a larger set. That's got a 3.5mm plug. It also included in the box is a neck strap. So if we look at this, in order to listen to the Opti, you plug that into there. Can't see if it will be that way around. And again, this one has a mic you can activate from the front. To wear it, there is this little neck strap see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. And that obviously, I guess it's got a sacrificial cord so that you don't strangle someone. And I think that just, if you don't want to clip it on your waist, you can just hang it around like that. But the advantage of this one is that instead of the weight hanging on your ears like that, this one has the advantage that you can do that. You can also use a neck loop. We'll be offering a neck loop with it on the web, or you can use your own earphones. If you've got a favourite set of earphones, a lot of people do earphones or headphones, you can use those. So here we are. This is the Geemarc CL7350 TV listening family. You can get spares. Visit the website, search CL7350, and hopefully you'll find it. Thank you. Another little information video from Cod Evans. Thank you.